The Milwaukee AA are a planned independent baseball team based in Franklin, Wisconsin. They are anticipated to begin play in the American Association of Independent Professional Baseball in 2019 upon completion of Ballpark Commons Ballpark in 2019. On May 3, 2018, a Name the Team contest was launched with 10 finalists: barn owls, bovines, broilers, cheesers, cow tippers, crop dusters, farmhands, haymakers, milkmen or war pigs. The winner was to be announced in June 2018. References: external links. Official website.